Looking for a budget laptop that actually feels usable in 2026? Because most cheap laptops are honestly terrible. Check out the exact model and best deal in the description below. This is the Acer Aspire 3A31524PR7VH, and it's one of the most popular budget laptops on Amazon right now. So the big question is this actually worth your money, or should you skip it? Let's start with performance. This laptop comes with an AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor and 8 GB of RAM, which means it's built for everyday tasks. And in real use, it handles things like browsing, YouTube, online classes, and office work pretty smoothly. You can open multiple tabs, use apps like Word or Excel, and it doesn't feel slow or laggy like older budget laptops. But don't expect miracles. This is not a gaming laptop, and it's not meant for heavy video editing or demanding software. Now let's talk about the display. You get a 15.6-inch full HD screen, which is actually pretty decent for this price range. It's good enough for watching videos, working, and general use, but it's not super bright or color accurate. Still, for a budget laptop, it gets the job done. Design and build quality are simple but practical. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and has a clean, minimal look. It doesn't feel premium, but it doesn't feel cheap either. It's somewhere in the middle. Battery life is another plus. You can get several hours of normal use without needing to charge, which is great for students or working on the go. Now here's where you need to pay attention: the storage. This model comes with 128 GB SSD. It's fast, but the space is limited. So if you plan to store a lot of files, videos, or games, you might need external storage or upgrade later. So let's break it down. Pros: smooth performance for daily use. Lightweight and portable. Good battery life. Affordable. Cons: not for gaming or heavy tasks. Limited storage. Average display. So is it worth it? If you're a student, remote worker, or just need a simple laptop for everyday tasks, this is actually a really solid choice. But if you need power for gaming or editing, you'll need something stronger. Check out the exact model and latest price using the link in the description.